Good morning, everyone. We are here to present the Douglas Pants, a comfortable, cool, and elegant garment made of soft shell, perfect for travel on the hottest days. The Douglas Pants feature an included belt and elastic zones at the waist to enhance the fit. The opening and closing at the waist are done through 2 buttons and, of course, the central zipper. The pants feature 2 front pockets and 2 side cargo pockets. There are 2 large ventilations at the knees to improve airflow. There are 2 buttons on the calf that allow for adjusting the fitting. At the bottom of the pants, there is a zipper that allows the Douglas to be worn with boots, and an elastic zone has also been added to enhance the fit. On the sides, there is a pocket that allows for the insertion of protection, while the protection on the knees is already included and is level 1 with 2 different positions. The Douglas pants are available in the black version for men in sizes S to 5XL.